Hello, everyone, and welcome. I'm excited to have you here today. Our presentation is titled, Developing Intelligent Agent Frameworks with Microsoft Technologies. We'll be exploring how to build, deploy, and manage AI agents using powerful Microsoft tools and Azure services. Over the next few slides, we'll cover the key concepts, best practices, and practical examples to help you get started. Let's dive in. Welcome to our discussion on developing intelligent agent frameworks with Microsoft Technologies. In this section, we'll explore how seamlessly integrating cloud and AI capabilities is crucial for creating powerful, scalable agents. Leveraging Microsoft tools and Azure services gives us a comprehensive ecosystem that helps build efficient, secure, and maintainable frameworks. As the demand for intelligent agents continues to grow, it's clear that robust and scalable solutions are more important than ever. The rise of smart AI agents is truly transforming how businesses automate tasks and improve user experiences, making our work both more effective and innovative. Now, let's take a closer look at how deployment on Azure supports the entire lifecycle of our intelligent agents. When we deploy on Azure, we gain the ability to monitor the agent's performance, scale resources as needed, and ensure compliance with security and regulatory standards. These features are crucial for maintaining reliable agent operation in a production environment. Moving on to development, this phase involves installing the relevant packages, which serve as the building blocks for our agents. It's also about writing clear, logical agent code and seamlessly integrating with Azure OpenAI services to leverage their powerful capabilities. This integration allows us to create more intelligent and responsive agents. The core concepts here emphasize transparency in decision-making, designing agents with modular tasks, and handling context efficiently. These principles help us build agents that are not only effective, but also easier to maintain and improve over time. Setting up the environment is an essential step. We need to configure development environments, whether we're working in C# or Python, and securely provision Azure resources. This setup ensures that our development process is smooth and that our infrastructure is secure. Finally, the Microsoft Agent Framework provides a suite of modular components that make building intelligent agents more straightforward. It includes typed tool calls, planning loops, and memory management features, all designed to help us create sophisticated, adaptable agents with less effort. Altogether, these points highlight how leveraging Azure and the Microsoft Agent Framework enables us to develop, deploy, and maintain intelligent agents effectively, ensuring they perform reliably in real-world applications. Let's talk about setting up your development environment with C# tools, which are essential for building intelligent agent frameworks using Microsoft technologies. These tools are designed to streamline your development process by providing reusable components and seamless integration with Microsoft's AI ecosystem. First, you'll find extension libraries like Microsoft Extensions, AEvaluations. These are particularly useful for supporting agent performance and safety checks, helping ensure your agents operate reliably and securely. Next, we have semantic kernel and autogen libraries. These tools facilitate planning loops and tool orchestration, making it easier to manage complex workflows and interactions within your agents. For connecting with Azure OpenAI services, Microsoft provides OpenAI packages. These enable smooth integration with powerful language models hosted on Azure, giving your agents advanced conversational capabilities. Finally, there's the Microsoft Agents AI library, which offers core agent capabilities. This forms the foundation of your development environment, ensuring you have the essential features to build robust and intelligent agents. All these tools work together to make your development process more efficient and your agents more capable within the Microsoft AI ecosystem. Let's dive into setting up your development environment with the Python tools. First, a sandbox environment is provided, which is really crucial because it allows you to safely execute your code snippets without risking any unintended side effects or disruptions. Think of it as a controlled space where you can experiment freely. Next, we have memory components. These are designed to maintain context across different interactions, which significantly enhances the logical flow of your agent. Essentially, they help your agent remember past conversations or actions, making interactions more natural and cohesive. Then, there are typed tools included in the SDK. These tools enable structured interactions with external APIs or services. They make it easier to connect your agent to other systems in a reliable, organized way, ensuring data is handled properly. System prompts play a vital role as well. They guide the behavior of your agent within the Python Agents SDK framework. By setting these prompts, you can influence how your agent responds and operates, aligning it with your specific goals. Finally, the SDK offers core large language model, or LLM, integration. This means you can leverage powerful natural language understanding capabilities right out of the box. It's a key component that enables your agent to interpret and generate human-like language, forming the foundation for intelligent interactions. All these tools and features come together to create a robust environment where you can develop, test, and deploy intelligent agents effectively. Now, let's look at how we can configure Azure resources for developing our intelligent agents. First, it's essential to store secrets securely, and Azure Key Vault is perfect for this. It allows us to manage keys, passwords, and certificates efficiently, keeping our sensitive information protected. Applying encryption both at rest and in transit further safeguards our data, ensuring that any stored or moving information remains secure from unauthorized access. Next, integrating Microsoft Defender helps us monitor security continuously. It detects potential threats early on and enables us to respond quickly, which is vital for maintaining a secure environment. Additionally, resource locks and tagging are useful tools for preventing accidental changes and keeping our resources organized. Proper tagging helps us track resources easily, and locks ensure critical resources aren't modified unintentionally. Another key point is implementing role-based access control, or RBAC. This means restricting permissions so only authorized users can access specific resources. This control is crucial to minimize risk and maintain security across our deployment. Finally, a well-structured Azure setup is fundamental for a secure and scalable deployment. Organizing resources within dedicated resource groups not only simplifies management, but also streamlines billing. When we follow these best practices, we create a robust foundation for our agent development efforts, aligning security, organization, and efficiency with the overall goals of our project. Let's take a closer look at understanding the Microsoft Agent Framework. This framework is designed to support the development of transparent, maintainable, and extensible agents, which are essential for creating sophisticated AI systems. One of the key benefits of this framework is that it leverages semantic kernel, providing foundational AI orchestration along with robust memory management. This means your agents can coordinate complex tasks seamlessly while remembering important context over time. Semantic kernel also enforces structured interactions through typed tool calls, ensuring that external service integrations are reliable and well-organized. Additionally, planning loops are a critical component. They allow agents to iteratively refine their decisions, making their outputs more accurate and effective. Memory systems play a vital role here, maintaining state and context, so agents don't lose track of previous interactions. Grounding techniques further enhance this process by keeping the outputs relevant and accurate. Now, moving on to AutoGen. This is a powerful feature that enables planning loops and workflow automation, making our agents more dynamic and adaptable. By combining these components, orchestration, planning, memory, and grounding, the Microsoft Agent Framework provides a comprehensive foundation for building complex, intelligent AI systems. This integration is what makes the framework so powerful and aligned with our goal of creating smarter, more capable AI solutions. Now, let's explore how integrating with Azure OpenAI and AI Foundry services really enhances our capabilities. This integration allows developers to build scalable, enterprise-grade AI agents that can grow with your needs. It's all about empowering developers to work efficiently and effectively. One key benefit is how it simplifies monitoring and managing deployed agents within the Azure infrastructure. You can keep track of performance, troubleshoot issues, and make updates seamlessly. This makes maintaining a large fleet of AI agents much more manageable. Connecting to Azure OpenAI endpoints is also straightforward, enabling seamless access to advanced language models. This means you can incorporate powerful AI capabilities into your applications without hassle. Additionally, the platform supports various Azure OpenAI agent types, offering tool support and streaming features. These capabilities give you flexibility to create diverse and dynamic AI solutions. And importantly, when it comes to hosting these agents, integration with Azure AI Foundry provides a secure, compliant environment. Built-in safety features and compliance controls help ensure your solutions meet industry standards and protect user data. Altogether, this integration is about building intelligent, scalable, and secure AI agents that can truly transform how your organization leverages AI technology. Now, let's explore how we can leverage Microsoft extensions, AEvaluations to enhance agent performance. One key aspect is using console management tools, which allow us to monitor the health and compliance of our agents in real time. This means we can quickly identify any issues as they arise and ensure our agents are functioning optimally. Another important point is integrating with Azure Storage. This provides us with persistent data retention, so all evaluation results and logs are securely stored and easily accessible for future analysis. This integration is crucial for maintaining a comprehensive record of agent activity and performance over time. We also have reporting mechanisms in place that aggregate evaluation results. These reports give us valuable insights into how our agents are performing, highlighting strengths and areas for improvement. It's about making data-driven decisions to refine our frameworks. Safety is paramount, so we include safety checkers to detect harmful or biased outputs. This helps us ensure that our agents are producing responsible and ethical responses, aligning with our overall standards. Finally, we leverage natural language processing evaluation modules. These are essential for measuring response relevance and coherence, ensuring that the outputs are accurate, contextual, and engaging. Altogether, these components form a robust framework that not only monitors and evaluates agent performance, but also drives continuous improvement, keeping our AI systems aligned with our goals and values. Now, let's talk about some best practices for designing your agent logic. First, it's important to define clear and modular jobs. This helps to separate concerns, making your code easier to maintain and update over time. Next, using deterministic routing is crucial because it ensures that your agents follow predictable paths when executing tasks, which improves reliability and debugging. Managing context windows efficiently is also key. By doing so, you optimize memory usage and overall performance, especially when handling complex multi-turn interactions. As we connect these ideas back to the overall theme, remember that a well-designed agent isn't just about the individual components. It's about creating a cohesive system that can adapt, scale, and perform reliably on Microsoft platforms. These best practices help ensure your agents are robust, efficient, and ready to handle real-world scenarios effectively.